You gonna give her a hug? Oh, Eskimos. Can you give her a hug? Who needs to eat? Can Madison smile for Mommy? Can Madison smile for Mommy? Where's my big smiles? Where's Mama's big smiles? Where's Mama's big smiles? Oh, thank you, Dill. Are you trying to give her noses? Good job. How about you just give her a kiss? She doesn't understand Eskimos yet. Can you just give her a kiss? Hey, be gentle. She's a baby. Be gentle. Gentle. She's a baby. Smiles. Very nice. You have the baby by Madison? Hey, Dylan. What's your name? Dylan. That's Madison. What's Dylan's? What's your name?